You guys, my Lyons leather two-tone Biggie Bee just arrived. I am so excited. I figured I should do an unboxing here with you guys watching. Oh my goodness, this is a limited edition piece and they sold out of it. So I don't know how I got so lucky. There was a few more in stock that came back and I immediately snagged one. Look at that. I actually love those striation lines. I think that's what they would be called. Oh, this is beautiful. So this is a mix of their black leather with their honey leather. Oh, that is just so pretty. Look at that honey. And I understand that honey, like patina, is really, really beautiful. So that's going to be fun to watch. But I just love this whole concept. I love the half circle shape. And I really love how this brings together two colors of leather. I think this is just such an edgy and cool look for a bag. Like, I just love it. And the straps, they are adjustable, so you can like remove these little straps and adjust them, or the snaps I should say, and you can adjust them accordingly to your size. But I'll do that in a minute. I first want to check out the beautiful interior of this bag. Oh my goodness. You guys, I didn't realize how important the interior of a bag is. Like, I just didn't pay attention until Lyons Leather Co. because I feel like this Biggie Bee is so exciting to open. Like, there's just this pop of a beautiful print inside. Look at how spacious and organized everything can be. There's a place for my wallet. There's a place for my lip gloss. Like, I just love this. And the color is just, it's so feminine and cute and happy. And I just feel like it's a surprise only for me, because when I'm carrying this bag, nobody's going to know that I have this fun interior. But when I go into it every single time, I'm going to love that. So, wow, this is beautiful. I love everything about this bag. This is incredible. Okay, thank you for unboxing with me. I will share more pictures probably of this beauty as I use her.